morning everyone. So from today you will have your maths class regularly, okay? Monday to Saturday regularly you will have. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday in place of your GK period you will have your maths class since your GK class is not going on. And Thursday, Friday, Saturday as usual we were having our maths class at 9 AM in the maths period itself, okay? So last I think so we were doing checkpoint 3.4, right? Okay, and I think so everyone has got the syllabus. Chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 6 will also come. We will complete, don't worry, we will complete before your half yearly examination only. Before maybe revision we can't do, but we will complete. Chapter 6 not total, 6.1, 6.2 and 6.3. If say 6.3 we cannot do, then till 6.2 only, okay? But we will at least complete till 6.2. Okay, so question number 9 was half done, I think so. We were somewhere there, I think so, na? X equal to, some of you have done this one, x equal to what? Root over it was 5, 3, 4, 3, 6, 1. 5, 3, 4, 3, 6, 1. Now till 13 we have tried in our last class, but it was still not divisible by 13, isn't it? So the next prime number was what? 17. So if you see, by 17 this will go. 5, 3, 4, 3, 6, 1. It will be divisible by what? It will be divisible by 17. So you see 17 how much? Let us see. 17 how much? 17 1 is 17, 17 2 is 34, 17 3 is 51, 24 then. 17 1 is 17, isn't it? 17 1 is 17, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 7, 14, 7. Then it is what? 17, 73. 17, 3 is 54, 17 1 is 17, 17 3 is 51, 17 4 is 68, 17 5 is 85, 17 4 is 68, isn't it? 17 4 is 68, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5, isn't it? Then 56, 17 3 is 51, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is 5 and 1, 51, 17 3 is how much? 51. So it is divisible by what? It is divisible by 17. 17 and over here how much? 3, 1, 4, 3, 3. Okay. Now by what number this one is divisible? Since till 13 so it was not divisible. So anyhow it will not be divisible till 13. No need to check now with 13 or 5 or 2 or something like that. Since this number was not divisible till 13, so till 13 now no need to check. We will start with 17 only now, okay? So let us try by 17 only. If not 17, then 19, like that we will move forward, okay? Then 3, 1, 4, 3, 3. This question is difficult to solve by this prime factorization method, but this question will be easier to solve by division method. So today you will going to learn what is division method. So this question in exam don't solve by this method, but till now we have not learned division method, so I am doing by division. Till now we have not learned division method, so I am doing by prime factorization method. But in exam it is better if you do in division method only. That is more easier. Division method is more useful in difficult question, and prime factorization method is more useful in smaller question. Okay. So see, let us try by 17 then. Okay, let us divide by 17 whether it is divisible or not. 17 1 is 17, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, isn't it? Then how much? 144. 17 6 is how much? 102. 17 7 is 119. 17 8 is 17 8 is 136. 17 9 will be more. 17 8 is, isn't it? 17 8 is 136, isn't it? So then if you subtract, how much you will get? 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. How much? 8, isn't it? Okay, 8. Then who will come down? 3 will come down, isn't it? 3. 17 4 is 68, 17 5 is 85, so 17 4 is 68. 17 4 is 68. Then This one 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that is how much? 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 153. And 17 9 ja is how much? 17 9 ja is 153. So by what it is divisible? It is divisible by 17. Means how much? 17 1849 ja is how much? 31433. Done. So now last, what is 1849? What is 1849? Now this is difficult. 1849 is not divisible by 17. You can try by dividing it. 1849 is not divisible by 19 also, not 23 also, not 29 also, neither 31. It is 1849 is actually 41 into 41, not 41 into 41, sorry, 43 into 43, I guess. 3 3 are 9, 4 3 are 12, 4 3 are 12, 1 4 are 16, 17, 9 4 8. 1849 is divisible by only 43. It's a prime number square, perfect square. Perfect square of a what? Of a prime number. Difficult question, okay? Very, very difficult question. In exam, don't do by this method. We will do this one by division method, okay? Very, very easy. 43 into 43 is very difficult to find. That's why I am saying it will be difficult for me also to find, okay? But since I know 1849, I know what is 43 square. That's why I know that is 43 into 43, okay? But it will be very difficult, okay? So it's better to do division method in this type of question. Understood? Okay, so done. 43 into 43. So now what you will write? Which implies, continue, which implies x will be equal to root over 534361 is how much? 17 into 17 into 43 into 43. Which implies x will be equal to, from this 217, 117 will come out, from this 243, 143 will come out. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be 17 into 43. Multiply 17 into 43. What is 17 into 43? Multiply. That is your answer. 7 is 21, 2, 7 is 28, 29, 30. 3 1 ja 3, 4 1 ja 4, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 731. So this is your answer. Find the length of its sides. So therefore what you will write? Therefore the length of its sides. Find the length. Therefore the length of its sides is how much? 731. What is given? Meter is given, right? So meter you write. So this is your answer. Let me check the answer once. 3 point how much? 3.4 number 9. 3.4 number 9. 731 meters. Okay. So this is your answer. Understood? Difficult. Okay. By this method it will be very difficult. 43 into 43 is not easy to find. Till 19 you can find easily. It will also take time, but till 19, if you know the table properly, you can find. But 43 into 43 is close to impossible. Okay, so it is better to do in division method. Now, division method we will learn after a few minutes. Okay. One more question. Two more questions actually. Question number 10. Find the smallest number by which 2925 must be divided to obtain a perfect square. Now already several questions you have done in exercise 3.1. Okay, so this you can do. So let us do only this question. No homework, no need to do homework. Let us do. How to do divided and multiplied question? You have to factorize, isn't it? Whatever will be left single, that should be divided or that should be multiplied. Finished. So what is the number? 2925. So start solution. Keep on doing. Try to do it faster than me, okay? Try to do it quicker than me, okay? 5 is there, so I will try by 5 only. 5 5 is 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 42, 5 is 42, 41, 42, 25, 5 5 is 25, again 5 is there. So 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 35, 5 7 is 35, 117, 117, table. 13 8 is 104, 13 9 is what? 117. But okay, if you don't know the table of 13, then also 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is what? 9. So 9 is divisible by 3, so this will also be divisible by what? 3. 3 3 ja 9. 10, 11, 27, 3 9 ja 27, again 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So same thing, 13 9 ja is what? 117. Got? So therefore 2 9 2 5 will be equal to what? 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 13. So this is pair, 13 is single. So what should be divided? So 13 should be what? Divided. Done. First part done. What is the second part? What is the second part? Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. Now you know. Also find the square root. To find the square root, we have to divide this 13, isn't it? So now keep on continuing this side. Now then how will I write? Square root of 2925 divided by what? 13, isn't it? 13 should be divided. Already in exercise 3.1 we have done. So 13 should be divided. So same way, equal to root over, what is 2925? 2925 is 5533 13. So 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 13, and divide 2925 divided by what? 13. So divided by 13, 13 done, which is equal to root over 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. From this 2 5 1 5 will come out. From this 2 3 1 3 will come out. So your answer is what? 15. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. This is the square root. 15 is the square root. Okay. So let me see the answer. 13 should be divided and 15 is the square root. 13 and 15. Yes. Understood? Simple maths. Already in 3.1 we have done. So this is not a difficult math. Question number 11. Last question of this exercise. Okay. 12, 13, 14. 12, 13, 14. Excuse me. Okay. So 12, 13, 14. No need to see for your exam. I will not give any question from 12, 13, 14. Same type of question. So if we keep on doing each and every question, then our syllabus will never complete. Okay. So lots of things we have to do this time. Geometry, graph, mensuration, everything will come. Okay, in your final exam. So be prepared. And one more thing, whichever students are attending today's class, you are watching this video, remember your half yearly question paper, I am writing it. Okay, on Word I am writing it. Keep this in mind. Okay, keep this word in mind, what I am saying. This word you keep in mind. Okay. Okay, keep in mind that sir has said that the question paper will be very, very hard. Okay, so keep this in mind and practice. Okay, online exam, I will write. This time you will see how good is online exam. This time you will get your paper. I will say very, very hard. Very hard, I will say. Only the students who have understood the lecture properly, the exercise properly, each and every steps properly, only they can solve the question. Other students will only just find the book and they will not get any question. Means what I am saying, if I said 30 questions, say it is 100 mark na half yearly. So it's a 30 to 35 question. If I said among that 30 to 35 question, 90% question will be extra question. Not a single question will come from book. Only few question I will give from book, so that you get 5 to 6 marks easily. Other every question will be extra question. You will not get in book. So forget about this online method process. Okay. So practice properly what I am saying. Understood? Afterward, don't say that sir has given extra question. I have said okay already. I will set extra question. So practice properly. The property will be same, the formula will be same, everything will be same. Only the question will be different. Okay, so let us move to question number 11 then. 1 to 2 5 saplings are to be planted in a garden. Saplings is chota mota peड़, okay? Podha type, something like that, podha. 1 to 2 5 saplings are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Okay, so what it is say? say 1225, 1225 small plants are there. Now these plants need to be planted in a garden. But how you will plant? Say if you place there 5 plants, how many plants? 5. Then the rows also should be 5. How garden stays how? Say this is a garden, isn't it? Like this you will plant, isn't it? Plant, plant and plant. This portion you cannot keep empty. If you have planted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then your rows also should be how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Compulsory. This is the rule. You read the question once again. Read the question in such a way that each row, these are rows, isn't it? Row, column, you know, na? These are rows. Each row contain as many plants as the number of rows. Each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. If say there are 3 rows, say for example there are 3 rows, then there should be how many plants? 3 plants in each rows. If there is say 4 rows, then in each row there should be how many plants? 4 plants. 4 tree, okay? Sapling is not tree actually, podha. It will be plants only, small plants. Okay, understood? If there are 5 plants, 1, 2, 3, 4, if there are 5 plants in a row, then row also should be how much? 5. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the question. In such a way that each row contains as many plants. How many plants? 4 plants. As many plants as the number of rows. Number of rows how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plants, 4 rows. 3 plants, 3 rows. 5 plants, 5 rows. Okay. Understood? Question understood. Now how to solve? Now the question is how to solve. If you see properly, this arrangement will always bring a what? A square. Always a square. You see this is a square. 4, here also 4. 3, here also 3. Like this also 3, like this also 3. This will always be a what? This will always be a square, not rectangle, a square. 5, 5. This is always a square, you see. 5, there also 5. So what? This is always a square. Now if it is a square, what is the area of this square? Area of this square is side into side, isn't it? Side into side. So how many will be side into side? 3 and 3. 3 3 ja 9. 4 and 4. 16. 5 and 5. How much? 25. So you see how many plants are there then? It will be exactly same with the area. Total number of plants will be exactly same with the area. You see? Area how much? 16. Now you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9. You see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 15. Like this 20 and then 25. That means if the arrangement is like this, then total number of plants is equal to what? The area of the figure. Understood? Say in your classroom, or in a hall, you imagine how you will count all the students. We don't count all the students. We count what? In a bench, how many they are sitting and how many benches are there. Means in a row, this is a bench and how many benches are there. This is like a classroom, isn't it? So this is the first bench, second bench, third bench, fourth bench, fifth bench. If in this bench 5 is there and like this also 5 benches are there, then obviously you will not count all the students. You will do what? You will multiply that 5 students are sitting like this and there are 5 bench. So 5 5 ja, total number of students will be how much? 25. Okay, in short, in very simple, forget about all thing. In very short, total number of saplings or plants or students, whatever, is always equal to what? Side into side. Okay, if you multiply these two, you will get the total number. Okay, so in this question, total number is given how many? 1, 2, 2, 5. Total is given. How many plants are there? Total plants. How many plants are there? Like this total plants. 1, 2, 2, 5. The figure will be a square for sure. For sure, if this type of arrangement is done, number of plants is equal to number of rows, then the figure will be a square. And you know that the total number of plants will be the area of this square. That means This 1, 2, 2, 5 will be the area of this square. Now what you need to find? Find the number of plants in each row. In each row, how many plants are there? That means what? You need to find the side of the square. Exactly like question number 9. Only this question is slight confusing. Understood? The main thing is what? It will form a square. Total number of plants is the area of this square. You need to find the number of plants in each row. That is, you need to find the what? Side of the square. So exactly like question number 9. Area of the square is given. Side of the square you need to find. Okay, so write the given part. Number 11. Total number of saplings. Total number of saplings is equal to how much? 1, 2, 2, 5. Now understand, this is nothing but the area of this square, okay? Because you know the arrangement will be what? The arrangement will be a square. Understood? Okay, done. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. We have to find this one. Means what? Actually, what you have to find? We have to find the side of this square. Find the number of plants and find the number of plants in each row and the number of rows. Nothing but find the side of the square. Like question number 9 only. Okay. So we will write let the number of rows. Let the number of rows and the number of plants in each rows and the number of plants in each row be how much? Dx. Done. So now according to the question, what do you know? That this is the area of the square. We have already understood now by drawing the diagram. This is the area of the square. This is the side of the square. So according to the question, side into side is equal to what? Area of the square. So same way, x square will be what? 1, 2, 2, 5. Now in the last class I have said square from left to right, if it goes, it will become what? Square root. Now find the square root of 1, 2, 2, 5. Via what? Via prime factorization method. So let us find easy number. 1, 2, 2, 5 will be nothing but 35. Your square root will be what? 35. So you see your answer will be 35, 100%. 1, 2, 2, 5. 5 by 5 is there, na? So let us do by 5 only. 5 2 is 10, 11, 12, 22, 5 4 is 22, 5 5 is 25. Try to do fast. 5 4 is 20, 4 45, 5 9 is 45. Then 7 7 is 49. Isn't it? So therefore, now you got na? No need to write therefore, sorry. Continue. This line you continue after this, which implies x will be equal to root over, in place of 1 2 2 5, what I will write? 5 into 5 into 7 into 7, which implies x equal to, from this 2 5, 1 5 will come out, from this 2 7, 1 7 will come out. So what is our answer? Which implies x will be equal to 35. Therefore, number of rows is equal to 35 and number of rows in number of plants, not plants, no, it was plants only they have written, yes. Plants and sapling, that means it is what? Same thing, okay? Number of plants in each row will be also how much? 35. Understood? So actually means what? Say this is the garden. How many rows are there? 35 rows are there. How many? 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. How many rows are there? 35 rows are there. And in each row, how many plants are there? 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. How many plants are there? Like this? 35. So 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, like this also. How many? 35. So 35 is how much? Area of the square 1225. Understood? This is the whole question. So with this, checkpoint 3.4 comes to an end. No need question number 12, 13 and 14. Why? Because 12, 13 and 14 is also same like question number 11. that will also be like area of a square only. Okay, only this time what? This time it is students. I have already said na, in case of student also it will become same thing. Counting the students, how many students are there, same thing. It will form always area of a square. You see 5929 students are sitting in an auditorium, in an hall, auditorium or in an hall. They will always form what? Area of a square. And you see the questions are same. You see, in such a manner that there are as many students in a row as there are rows in the auditorium. Same like this question. There are as many plants as the number of rows. Understood? So question are already same. So no need till question number 11. And don't worry, I will not give question number 12, 13 and 14. Yes, the question paper will be difficult, but extra question means whatever question I have not done, that question will not come. Okay. So 12, 13 and 14, myself I am saying these three questions no needed. Okay. But other than that, homework whatever I have given, if you don't do the homework, that is your fault. Okay. There, though from those questions will come. But 12, 13, 14 I have not done. So no needed. Okay. So okay, 3.4 finish. Now 3.4. Now you will learn what? Division method. So today not division method. One more question is there. You see, go to checkpoint 3.5. The first question is not to find the square root. There is a different question. So that formula we will learn at first. Okay. Find the number of digits. Checkpoint 3.5. Okay. Find the number of digits in the square root of the following numbers. No need to find the square root. What you have to find? Find the number of digits. Try to understand the question what it is saying. Say root over 169 is how much? 13. Root over 400 is how much? Say 20. Root over 729 is how much? Say 27. Root over 1225 is how much? 35. Okay. Is there anything else? 3-digit number. Any 3-digit number square. Say like this. Root over 1 0 0 0 0 will be how much? 100. Okay. So what is the question? In this question they have not said you to find the square root. What they have said, find the number of digits in the square root. Means how many digits will be there in the square root of 169? How many? 2 digits. How many digits will be there in the square root of 400? 2 digits. One is 2, one is 0. One is 1, one is 3. How many digits will be there in the square root of 729? 2 digits. How many digits will be there in the square root of 100? 3 digits. So like this you have to find. So you see, it is a 3-digit number, still how many digit? 2 digit. It is a 4-digit number, still how many digit? 2 digit only. So there should be a formula to find. Now if I give a number so big like that, say 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 5, 2, 5 like that. And if I say how many digits will be there in the square root of this number, can you give the answer? Impossible. This answer though I know, that's why I have given na. But if you don't know the answer, then how you will give the answer? So there is a formula for that. Okay. So let us see the formula at first. What is the formula for that? The formula is very simple formula. If the perfect square has n digits, if the perfect square has n digits, then there will be two cases. First case for what? For even. Say the square root has how many digits? N digits. Say how many digits? N digits. Like that. Say 4, 3, 4, 5, 5. How many digits? N digits. N means what? Number of digits. In this, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This n means what? Number of digits in the perfect square. Understood? Overall, I have written what? N digits. N is what? N is number of digits in the perfect square. And now what? If this perfect square is even, now this one is odd, this one is not even. So if this one is even, then your formula will be what? N by 2. And if this one is odd, then your formula will be what? N plus 1 by 2. Very simple. Understood? Very simple. Let us take an example. say root over 169. Okay, what is the value of n? How many digits are there? 3. So 3 digits are there. What is the value of n? 3. 3 is even or odd? Odd. So I will use this formula. How many digits will be there? 3 plus 1, n plus 1. N is what? Number of digits. 1, 2, 3. 3. Odd. So odd formula. 3 plus 1 by 2. That is 4 by 2. That is how much? 2. How many digits will be there? 2. So you see, root over 169 is how much? 13. How many digits are there? 1 and 2. Understood? This is the formula. 3 plus 1 by 2 will get how much? 2. So you see how many digits? 1 is 1, 1 is 3, total 2 digits. Okay. So this is the formula. This is the formula. Understood? This is the formula. Okay. Understood? For even it is n by 2, for odd it is n plus 1 by 2. And what is this n? What is this n? N is the number of digits in that perfect square. Okay. Okay. Let us start. Question number 1. Question number 1. What is there? 49. Solution. Okay. How many digits are there? 49. 2 digits are there, isn't it? 2 digits are there. So even or odd? It is even, isn't it? Don't look at this number, okay? Don't look at the number. The number is even or odd. You count the number of digits. How many digits are there? 2. Don't think like that. So 49 is the odd number. No, I am not talking about the number. I am talking about number of digits. How many digits are there? 2 digits are there. 2 is even or odd? 2 is even. So we will apply the formula of what? Here n is equal to what? 2. Isn't it? This one is you. This you see. This is even or odd? This is even. So your formula will be what? Directly you write. Now no need to write n by 2. What is the formula? N by 2, which is equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to how much? 1. So how many digits will be there? Find the number of digits. How many digits? 1 digit. Isn't it? What is root over 49? Root over 49 is 7. So 7 means what? 1 digit. Okay, let us see number 2. 169. This one already I have given the example only. 169. Solution. How many digits are there? What is the value of n? 1, 2, 3. This one is what? This one is odd. This one is what? This one was even. This one was what? Odd. So then what is the formula for odd? N plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, which is what? 2. So how many digits will be there? 2 digit. Isn't it? Root over 169, 13. How many digits are there in 13? 2 digits are there in 13. Understood? Let us do then question number 3. 4, 6, 2, 4. Number 3. 4, 6, 2, 4. Solution. 4, 6, 2, 4. What is the value of n? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. Even or odd? Even. 4 is even. Don't look this number. Look here, even or odd. 4 is even. Okay. So formula what? N by 2. Understood? Means 4 by 2 means how many? Again your answer how many? 2 digit. Understood? Number 4. Now let us move to question number 4. Question number 4 is how much? 26696. 26696. Solution. What is the value of n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Don't look here. This number is even, but don't need to look the number. You look here, digits. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5 is odd. So odd formula n plus 1 by 2. That is 5 plus 1 by 2. That is 6 by 2. That is 3. So how many digits? 3 digits. 3 digits, 2 digits you can write. Plural, so put a S. That means must verify the answer. 3.3.3.5. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. This is number 3 and number 4. No? 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Understood? So then, question number 5, homework. Question number 5 homework, 6 homework. Question number 5 is homework. Question number 7. Okay, 7 I'm doing. 39153. 80329. 80329. This is the question. Solution. What is the value of n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, which is even. So formula is n by 2. So 10 by 2. So 5. So 5 digits. Finish. Then question number 8. Again what? Again homework. So that's all for today's class. Any doubt you can ask. And understood na that line what I have said? Very hard question paper. So keep on practicing regular. Okay. Your exercise, I hope I can complete till 6.3. I hope so. But if not, then till 6.2 we will complete. Okay. Till how much I can complete? I will keep at least say 3 or 4 days for revision for you guys. Okay. So you keep on practicing regularly. Okay. Syllabus 1, 2, 3 and 6, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. Paper will be very hard. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.